Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today I want to go ahead and harvest my collard greens. I planted these collard greens February or March of last year of 2024. It's now March of 25. So they've been here for 1 year. I've been harvesting from them for the past year. It's collard greens are a cut and come again vegetable. So it's been really great. I think this side has there are 5 or 6 plants, and they grew really massively, if you can see. So I see that they're now starting to flower. So that means that they'll be producing seed soon. So to me, that means the end of their life cycle. So I want to go ahead and harvest these. And typically when I harvest, I just pick from the bottom. Cutting from the bottom like that. If you can see this. As you can see, all the harvests that we've had for the past year, all this way. So this is the final harvest for these. And in the fall, in September, I went ahead and I planted some new collard greens, which I've also started harvesting from. So these are the old ones, old meaning from spring of last year, and then these are the new ones. See, they're starting to get large, but they're not as big as those back there. So with these, I've also been harvesting a little bit, but I've been focusing on the older ones. So I need to go ahead and take everything out, harvest everything. They're actually still pretty cool for the season, so we don't have any disease issue. When it gets too hot, you'll start seeing pests on the collard greens. But for now, they're looking good. They're quite massive. And so I have this bed around this pom-pom juniper right here, and I've already gone ahead and harvested all the ones that were on this bed as well. So I think I took pictures the day I planted both of these beds, so I'll put the picture to show where they started from and what we have. Look at how large this was. They grew so huge, they pretty much all needed to be staked. And from this bed, the harvest that I got from that is right here. It's in this giant grocery bag. I've been removing the stalks. These ones, either they were yellowing, so all these will go in the compost. But this is what we have so far. It's quite a lot of work. And then on this other side, we see the newer ones that I also planted with the other ones that I showed you back there. So once I harvest all of them, I'll be taking them, like I said, this is the final harvest. So I'll be uprooting them completely. So that's how the root system, pretty extensive root system. Okay, this has gone into the tree. So, okay, there it is, got it. Look how deep that root system is. Okay. This one has a, okay. Okay, so I'll do the rest. I'll do the other three. I can tell that one is, that probably has a very large root system. I'll need both hands to do that. I might be able to do this one with one hand. Okay. Got that. See how massive these are. Okay, so I'll take out the other two. I'll finish harvesting those. If I don't finish that today, I'll probably continue tomorrow, because it's not just harvesting, it's also about processing. So for these to process, I'll chop them up once I remove the stalks. Once I take that out, which pretty much like that. Once I take these out, I'll cut them up and then probably blanch them, because I need to reduce the size. There are way too many. I don't have storage for all of these. So I'll blanch them, and that should reduce the size, and then I'll go ahead and freeze them. So okay, that's what we are working on today. So I'll get to work, and okay, I'll stop this video right here. Anyway, thank you so much for your attention, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.